Motorcycles dealers in Vietnam has sold the new 2023 Yamaha Sniper 155 Special Edition with installed upgraded accessories. The accessories installed on the new 2023 Yamaha Sniper Special Edition includes top fairing cover titanium grills, RCB brake and clutch levers, aluminum radiator cover and upgraded monoshock suspensions. Unfortunately, the new Yamaha Sniper 155 2023 Special Edition is only available in Vietnam. This kind of designs are only sold and limited by now in Vietnam. But if you have a Sniper 155, you can use this designs as reference if you are planning to make a makeover to your motorcycle. The engine of this upgraded Sniper 155 Special Editions are still in stock factory configurations. Powering the Yamaha Sniper is a 155 cubic centimeters 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, SOHC, 4-valve engine which produces 17.8 horsepower and 14.4 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is then paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Safety and security features of the Yamaha Sniper 155 includes a pass switch. The refined design is equipped with an upgraded performance package and complementary lifestyle features for the racetrack and city roads. Experience the difference, feel superiority in your hands, and ride above the rest. This commuter does get a decent amount of features which includes the basics such as an LED headlamp, tail lamp, and indicator lights for that added stash of style and superior vision, especially during night time. Plus, it also gets a modern touch of digital gauges.